Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. This is about learning machines, bro. Just kidding. This is about WarriorPlus here and TrafficJunky and TrafficFactory, which those are two traffic sources you can use to run traffic to WarriorPlus offers, which are make money offers, okay? And what I highly recommend is pick good offers. I'm going to give you guys in this video offers that actually convert. You can actually direct link to because their freaking sales pages are fantastic. Um, and then the other thing is, just the traffic side of things. I will have some tutorials in this for especially TrafficJunky and TrafficFactory. I'll just let you know about a little bit about it. I won't dive into it because I don't have another account for demonstration purposes, but I do for TrafficJunky to show things. Okay, and they're basically the same platforms. Okay, I don't want to have to blur out tons of my campaigns and ads and all this stuff. So here we are with WarriorPlus. This is a great freaking network. You guys can just crush it with. Okay, so let me show you how to find the best offers. If you guys sort by sales, this means they got a lot of sales with this specific offer. Okay, so this one's got a lot of sales, but right off the bat, from what I can tell, is its average sales too low. Okay, so you want to have a decently high average sale. But look at this, all these ones right here, good. Maybe not the $10 one. If it has a high conversion rate, which it kind of does from what we can see here, it has 31%. So pretty good. Plus it has upsells in the back end. Refund rates look pretty low other than this one. If anything's above 10% refund rate, you don't want it. Don't want to promote it. Let's see. You want something that a broad appeal would understand, by the way, because if you're marketing with adult traffic, like with TrafficFactory here, let me go back because I didn't want to log into it. I was like, I don't really want to have to blur out a bunch of stuff. TrafficFactory is good. It basically has X videos as its main. And by the way, X videos is the size of YouTube, Facebook type stuff. Okay, it's like a very big site. You can advertise worldwide. Okay, like they have people not just in the United States, obviously. So per day, the impressions is 6 billion. That doesn't mean 6 billion people. That means how many ad spots they have times how many people are there. That's 6 billion chances you can get in front of people. So that's really big opportunity. They're I would say the third biggest. Okay, so ExoClick is the second biggest. Then TrafficJunky is the biggest. They have some of the biggest sites you can run ads on. Banner specific. Okay, TrafficFactory is mainly banner as well, and then ExoClick has pop under, by the way. Okay. So here we are on the demonstration account here, okay, to show you guys stuff, because I was like, I don't want to have to blur out tons of my campaigns and ads and stuff. So if you're going to do a campaign, because look, I got no campaigns to show you here, okay. So let's show you guys what to do instantly. You want to add creatives to get approved instantly. That's the first thing you got to do with TrafficJunky. Then the bid, okay, you just go do a bid, and it's just called bid, that's what they call it, but then you just make a campaign. I literally just type it like that. Okay, so here we are. You want to do desktop if it's something you're selling. So if you're doing lead gen, you don't want to do mobile traffic, okay? You want to do mobile traffic if it's lead gen, but if it's desktop traffic, that's when you do something you're selling, okay? So you're going to use desktop for this scenario. You're going to usually do this on banner first, but you could totally test a bunch of different banners. Test different placements, of course. You're going to do straight. You're going to do probably mail for make money. You're going to do the country that you think will do best, which is usually United States, okay? Like, United States is the way to go, man. I'm telling you, like, that's basically all I do in advertising is United States, United States, United States. But if you branch out, there's opportunities always in branching out, okay? Always. There's no other scenario there isn't. So if you want to do a tracker, you can find out what browsers is best, okay? You could do Chrome, that's all right, but I do all browsers. Okay, here we are. This I just leave off every time, okay? Now you just press continue. This is how you make it, bruh. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the offers to promote, okay? So you could totally do video banners, okay? Video banners grab more attention. You could do in-stream ads, which is kind of like YouTube ads, but they're in front of videos on adult. You do a link. So let's say we go grab a link. You'd have to request in that scenario there. So let's just grab a link like this. Okay. And you grab a link, you select creatives. This is my demonstration image that's approved. Thank goodness. Okay, perfect. Now we confirm. That's kind of how it works. You upload a lot of different banners, though. You want to split test about, I would say, 3 to 5 and 10 at a max. Okay. There's times I do 10 different banners because I'm like, which one's going to get the highest click through rate? I'm very curious. Okay. And banner ads are great, but you need to do banner ads right. Okay. A banner ad is cool with adult because you're like getting in front of way more people with your banner compared to if you're doing Facebook or anything. So people there who are clicking are actually interested. So you don't want to use any curiosity baiting or anything like that. Okay. Because you'll get people who probably weren't going to be interested in the offer anyway. But if you tell them what they're getting right up front in the banner and maybe in the price points and what it is they're getting, everything like this, they're going to be interested in clicking and buying because you're literally telling them what they're getting right off the front. It's like if your banner was like you're selling hot dogs, okay, and you have a hot dog stand or something, they know that what they're getting on the other side's hot dog stand. But if you just have an image of a hot dog, or not even that, like something totally different, and it's curiosity, they don't know what they're getting, okay? And even price points and all this stuff you should have there to explain to people, hey, here's what you're paying, all this stuff, okay? So right off the bat, they tell you, okay, 250 is the amount you're going to spend per day, but you can go all the way down to like 25 is what I say minimum you should do. But it depends, okay? So let's say you promote, this is how I like to do it. Let's say you're promoting an offer that you pays out an average of 25 bucks, okay? So 25 bucks, that means you could do 25 bucks. Or you could do times 3 per day, okay? So you could do like 75 bucks, okay, per day. And if you get 3 sales, you break even, and you can start figuring out what is your best stuff. Your best ads, your best targeting, what's working the best. And then you can run with that. Okay, and you can direct link once again with these offers and crush it. You guys can make a lot of money. Okay, so I'll tell you guys the best offers in a second. Max bid, you do want to actually have a pretty high bid to be competitive. Okay, so you could go up to, let me show you an example, 100 max bid. Okay, and what that does is that puts you above all other bidders. Okay, so you bid more, but it's not like you're paying $100 per thing. You're gonna go right above whoever's at the highest bid for what they're doing. Okay, so you're gonna like take over. Okay, that's kind of how it works. So then you just press confirm campaign, and you're ready to go as soon as you set that budget and all that stuff. Okay, and then you're ready to go. I don't want to run this, even though it has no money in it. Okay, but anyway, that's kind of how you do that. Now let's go over here. Here's we'll talk more about TrafficFactory in a minute too. Okay, so WarriorPlus is crazy. I mean, this is a massive network. There's a lot of money inside of it. Okay, 2 million freaking people a month. So the best offers, like I said, you want to sort by sales. Okay, sales is the way to go. This right here, let's see what this is. It looks like these are almost like advertised or sponsored or suggested, okay, or featured. That's what this is up here. Don't want to promote this. Okay, this one can work. This one can work. This one can work. Email system, maybe not. It seems too marketing specific. One-page profits make sense to people. Set and forget makes sense. The lost code, yeah, those ones for sure. Click kits, not sure. Profit host makes kind of sense. Did work. Invisible, maybe. Thumbnail blaster, no. Fuego breakout, yes, that can work. Passive class, let's see. Too low of a payout, so no. Beast funnels, maybe, but doubt it because no one knows what funnel is. Broad appeal. This one could work because it's like another curiosity one. Octane, the Gen bots, Profit Suite. Profit Suite, maybe. Take It is a good name. The Gen bots, maybe. Brandon Mesa is a really common, you'll see here. He has some good offers here for this. 0 to 100 in 24 hours, that's a good offer for sure. Big ticket commissions could work. I'm not saying, like, some people won't know what commissions means. Okay, so remember, this is cold as heck traffic. You need to make sure that they actually kind of understand. Everyone knows what crypto is, and they may be curious about it, but they don't know what commissions is sometimes. Okay, like it's crazy. Like people don't know stuff. So you have to like appeal to the cold traffic. So 60-second traffic pro, people don't know what traffic is. I'm telling you, it's weird. It's really weird. I would call it 50-second, 60-second people to your website pro. That's what I would have called that. But anyway, some people don't know what email system would even mean, so you want to go for the ones I suggested. Rewatch the part where I was talking about the offers, because passive income, that's a great name, but it's low payout, so don't do that one. Okay, so these offers crush it. Let's see if we just find visitor value, average sale. Maybe we could find something high ticket that's good. Conversion rate's really what you're going for, though. Okay, like big time. So let's just actually look at that. Average sale doesn't matter at all. Conversion rate's all that matters at the end of the day. Conversion rate's it. Okay. This is crazy, but it's probably totally abused because that doesn't make any sense. This one right here, no. This one, no. This one, no. Won't do that. How to create patterns for coloring books? No, 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 no. Pretty high conversion rates though, so maybe if you want to go in the coloring book niche, it could work, but it's not like they have crazy amount of sales. So it's like you want to do something that gets a lot of sales, okay? That's the way to go. Copyright and cheat sheet, no one knows what that is with cold traffic. CPA instant profits, they got some sales, not crazy. Conversion rate was niche down enough, it was high. Okay, sales is the way to go. Look at these offers. There's probably new ones in the future, so come here and look at it. Sign up for WarriorPlus, find offers, start freaking making ads, okay? Go to Canva to make your banner ads and tell people exactly what they're getting in the banner ad. The price point, if you want, you could say. And then you have a button and it clicks to it and you make money, okay? That's just how you do it. And if you want to go to do TrafficFactory, here's TrafficFactory. It's a premium ad network. Like I said, they got X videos as their biggest site they use. Same with ExoClick, they have X videos too. So X videos is massive site. It's ridiculous. Plus they have a bunch of other sites beneath them. This is a great way to scale. So you always want to start with TrafficJunky and then scale outward to things like TrafficFactory and other sites, okay, and other adult sites to advertise on. And if you guys want to promote these offers successfully with WarriorPlus, some more tips real quick. You could build Instagram, okay, just around the niche of make money type stuff like this right here, because that's what they are. Pick a few offers, promote them, make a funnel with ClickFunnels and build your email list if you want, or you can literally just make an offer page lander, okay, which is basically, it's an offer wall. You have an image and a button on each section. It's like a grid style look, and people click and they go to different offers, okay, and you can have a bunch of offers in one place for people to go check out, and the sales pages sell themselves. These offers they work, I mean, they sell. So you make content on Instagram, then you also do Facebook, and then you do paid ads boosting the content you have in front of people that are very targeted who would convert on this stuff, okay? The age range, I would do male 18 to 65, okay, in the United States, and maybe some Canada there too, okay, and some United Kingdom, and interested in different things like this, okay? Whatever your post's about, that's what you really want to keep it relevant to when you're targeting. Same thing with YouTube. You want to boost the content to people who would be interested in it. And you want to make content just literally teaching and giving value and then linking to your offer wall in this strategy scenario where you just have a bunch of these offers that people are interested in convert on. I mean, it just works, okay? It's pretty crazy. And then another scenario you could do is Facebook ads, okay? You can literally set up a whole funnel. You could do a tripwire funnel, which basically you collect payments on the front end, have your own offers, okay? PLR products, private label right products. And you literally have upsells, all this stuff, and you're running Facebook ads. You're literally profiting on the front end, and then you push people in the back end to all this. This is the way, it's the best strategy. Most people don't know how to do it, but I do have step-by-step how to do it inside the Done For You funnels. For that, I have it for bridge pages, Tripwire. I've tested Tripwire, by the way, over time. Crazy. Every page, every element, I figured out what converts the best, and I'm literally giving it to people inside the Done For You funnels, okay? So it's like crazy. And it converts, bro, and it converts well, and it's profitable with cold traffic. It's crazy because the numbers work out because you have so many upsells, and the pages convert, and it's like you just plug and play, bro. You just plug and play. So it's crazy. And then in the back end, once again, you can just promote all these offers. Most of these offers, they literally, just like ClickBank, they give you emails you can use. Emails you can use to literally just promote, okay, and make money, okay? Like, it's crazy. Thank you so much for watching Learning Machines. I will see you guys in more videos, and peace out. Go make some flipping money.